Hey guys, Mike Fab'n, and today we're going to put a few new parts on the SC10 Pro2 for my daughter, and then we're also going to do an unboxing on a battery charger that I got. So, a SKYRC T100. Anyway, here we go. Alright, so on the SC10 Pro2, we now have the RPM rear arms on, RPM rear ball cups, and the suspension link. The CVD axles are in, the rear hub, aluminum rear hub carriers in, but we didn't have the right rear wheel bearings. So I ordered a wheel bearing kit, and we're going to install that. Okay, got the rear wheel bearings in, and the tires back on it. And I went ahead and changed the rear hinge pins. Seemed a little loose, worn. This was a used truck, so I put new hinge pins in it. So anyway, now when I got this new Fab'n servo for it, I didn't get the right servo horn, so I got a 25 tooth silver arm for it. So now I'm gonna put that on it. Here we go. Alright guys, and now we got the new servo arm on the Fab'n servo and hooked up to the car. So that's it for the car tonight. We've got it kind of closer. Still a few other upgrades we're doing to it before she's race ready, but getting closer every day. Now we'll do a battery charger review. Alright, we got a battery charger that we're going to try out. It's the SKYRC T100. Let's open it up. Alright. Here it is out of the wrapper. Let's get it out of the box. Okay, so it's out of the box. And I had seen some reviews on them that they're pretty good or pretty decent. For the money, it was only like 60 bucks. And it's 100 watt. You can charge 2 batteries at a time, 100 watt 5 amps. So for what we do, it'll be fine. But it comes with an owner's manual, it comes with a US plug, but it does not come with any of the battery plugs. So I had to buy additional these adapters so that I can do it to Dean's. These are T60, I believe, is the unit, what it comes out at, and it's a male, and then this is a female, and then to a Dean's male, so that I can charge my Dean's plug batteries. So anyway, and that was an additional $9 for 4 of those. So we'll have to plug it in, plug some batteries up to it, and start seeing how we're doing this. Anyway, hey guys, appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks.